My name's Leigh-Kathryn and I'm the founder and CEO of a business, or business as we like to call it, called Bee Downtown, and we install and maintain beehives on corporate properties and pair that with environmental sustainability initiatives and reporting and employee engagement opportunities. Bee Downtown was never meant to be a full-time business. I'm a fourth-generation beekeeper, so I asked the owners of the company I was interning for if I could put a beehive on their rooftop, and they said, sure, go for it, and they own the campus that Burt's Bees World headquarters is on too, and Burt's Bees didn't have bees at their headquarters, so they jumped at the opportunity, and so we started off with one of the biggest name companies that we could have, and media picked up on it, and other companies started saying, hey, can we get bees? It was a passion project, and then I learned about the Entrepreneurial Institute at NC State and started to get really into entrepreneurship, and the Lulu eGames were coming up, and honestly it was a gift because I had no business plan. I had no idea of what to do. I had no understanding of accounting or anything like that, and it gave me really the foundation of what I needed to try to understand if it would work. It's been really amazing to see how companies respond to Bee Downtown, how they just dive headfirst into wanting to be part of something that is bigger than them. One of the things that we talk about a lot is that honeybees impact a 3-mile radius. So from the minute a hive is placed on SAS's campus or IBM's campus, they're impacting over 18,000 acres of the community in a positive way. Everything a bee touches, it leaves in a better place than how they find it. And if we start to look like that as a community, if every day we go into work or every encounter we have with somebody, we try to leave that place or that person in a better place than how we found it, we start to really build something special in our region and in our state and in our country. It's the selflessness that you see from a bee. They work as hard as they can every day, and they will never see the work that they have put in. They won't live long enough to see it, but they're doing it for the good of the hive. And to have the notion of what can I do for my community or my school or the world that will leave it in a better place than how I found it. That is our hope with every city we go to, is that we can impact the city just like the bees do.